Welcome second PU Commerce students to Exam Tips and Tricks channel. Today's class, let's see second chapter, Reconstitution of Partnership Firm. Admission of a partner. Any change in the existing agreement amounts to reconstitution of partnership firm. This results in an end to the existing agreement and a new agreement comes with changed relationship among the members of the partnership. Modes of reconstitution of partnership firm. Reconstitution of partnership firm takes place any of the following: in case of admission of a new partner, change in the profit sharing ratio among existing partners, retirement of an existing partner, death of a partner. A newly admitted partner acquires two main rights. He acquires rights over the profits of the firm. He acquires rights over the assets of the firm. When a new partner is admitted into the partnership business, there is a need to calculate sacrifice ratio as well as new profit sharing ratio. Sacrifice ratio is the ratio in which all partners agree to sacrifice their share of profit in favor of the new partner. Sacrifice ratio can be calculated in the following cases. Case 1, when old ratio of the old partners and share of new partner is given in the problem. In this case, old ratio will be the sacrifice ratio. Based on case 1, let's see one question. A and B are partners sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 2:1. They admit C into the partnership and give him 1/3 share. Calculate sacrifice ratio. In this case, old ratio will be the sacrifice ratio. So, sacrifice ratio is equal to old share of old partners, that is 2:1. Case 2, when the old ratio of the old partners, the share of new partner and the share acquired by the new partner are given. In this case, sacrifice ratio will be the share sacrificed by old partners. So, based on case 2, let's see one more question. In this case, X and Y are the partners sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 3:2. They admit Z into the partnership and offer him 1/3 share, which he acquires in the proportion of 2/10 and 1/10 from X and Y. Calculate sacrifice ratio. So the answer will be sacrifice ratio will be the share sacrificed by all partners. So share sacrificed by X and Y will be 2/10 and 1/10. So the answer will be 2:1. Next, one more problem. Case 3. Case 3 specifies when the old partners surrender a part of their share to the new partner. In this case, sacrifice share is the product of old share and surrendered share. So the formula will be sacrifice share is equal to old share into surrendered share. So based on case 3, let's see one more problem. D and E are partners sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 4:2. They admit F into the partnership. D surrenders half of his share and E surrenders half of his share in favor of F. calculate sacrifice ratio. So as I said, sacrifice share is equal to old share into surrendered share. Share sacrificed by D is equal to his old share is 4 by 6 into 1 by 2. So that is equal to 4 by 12. Share sacrificed by E is equal to 2 by 6 into 1 by 2. That is equal to 2 by 12. So sacrifice ratio is equal to 4:2. So it can be simplified as 2:1. Thank you.